I actually get very, very uncomfortable when things are ignored. It's kind of like there's an elephant in the room and no one's talking about it. Vaginal odor is something that many women, including myself, what woman has not thought about it, worried about it? And Dr. Benaya, feel free to weigh in as you are the vagina expert. But it's amazing what lengths we go to for, like, say, what I often think probably women think is an odor when it's actually our natural scent, and it's normal and natural and okay to have a scent.
I think that the biggest thing, and I'm going to answer this question like this. I remember there was a commercial, okay, for for teenagers, okay, to start with their hygiene, okay, down there, trying to imply that young women and women that we smell. Why is there not a thing for the penis? Why don't we have a douche for the penis? Why don't we have, a douche for the testicles? Same thing. You know what I mean? They sweat. They're not attractive. Everything for us is natural. I always tell everybody that the vagina is a self-cleaning oven. It knows what to do. You don't have to put Easy Oil or anything else in there. Okay, don't do it.
I think it's really important for us to be able to name the things that are happening if they're really bothering us, or if our partner's having an issue, if our partner's insecure about some part of their anatomy, or if they feel embarrassed. I had a friend, she had a partner that, she had been with for a couple of months, and she had this issue, like she would toot every time they would, have intercourse. And whatever, it's your body, like it happens. I think it's important to, make people feel comfortable.
I definitely agree with the talking. I think talking is really, really important. I've certainly had situations, and I think probably most people have, where maybe there's something either uncomfortable or weird or that we're self-conscious about. I personally think it's important to talk about, almost just sort of putting it out on the table, because I think that hopefully allows a place for, at least sort of keeps things from being shoved under the rug.
Hopefully that will change over time as we're having wonderful, more transparent conversations.